one filmmaker has always been ahead of his time.
Time, stop! Go.
Now, from visionary writer and director Francis Ford Coppola, comes an event nothing can prepare you for.
Imagine today's society as a branch of civilization about to reach a dead end. Is this way we're living the only one that's available to us? My plan is a city that people can dream about.
Megalopolis.
What about those standing in your way?
Power the people!
Who like it the way it is?
People don't need dreams. People need help now.
Don't let the now destroy the forever. We're in need of a great debate about the future!
Enjoy the show.
1, 2, 3, yippee yay.
There's still so much to accomplish, but is there time? Go.
Francis Ford Coppola's Megalopolis.